it's the Nerf Bros, and we today are doing Pistol Wars. I will be doing the Mega line. Graham is doing the Nerf Elite, and Michael has the Boomco.
I'm probably gonna win again, as you see last time on basic Boomco. So.
All right, I will be the first-person shooter as usual, because that's my phone, my rules. So let's go.
Whoa, watch it.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Takes a long time to reload this with the camera in my hand. No, you didn't. Ah! Oh, that was so close. Oh, I can't believe that even made it through. Okay, guys, we gotta get more action in this. So I'm coming up.
Isaiah, you're dead.
Graham's dead. I hit Graham.
I'm the winner. Isaiah are dead. Michael's the winner.
He's beast with Boomco. Well, that was actually a pretty short video.
Yeah, it was.
Maybe. Hey, Graham, you have a modulus, right?
Yeah.
So we should do like machine gun and like just a mix of wars. Like we get to choose our blasters. Should that be happening?
Sure.
Later on today.
Can I use my cyclone shot? My Mago?
I don't care. I don't care what you use. Our own choice of blasters.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is going to be awesome, people.
That will be in a probably.
We'll see you guys. Be sure to comment that.
Michael is beast.
Michael is beast. Comment that. Drop. We would like today 10 likes. How about that? And 5 subscribers. 5 new
about that.
subscribers.
Catch me outside. How about that?
If the first subscriber, as we listed in the previous video, will get a Nerf Strong Arm with 10 white little Valentine darts. Well, see you next time.
Adios.